In this video, I'm going to talk about the fill handle in Microsoft Excel. What is fill handle? The fill handle is an Excel feature that is used to fill the data automatically with a specific pattern. You can extend a series of number, date, text combination to the desired number of cells. Fill handle is a versatile tool in the Excel suite that autocomplete various entries, transform the data, and several other applications. It is an inbuilt Excel feature that is enabled by default and therefore does not involve any manual procedure to implement it. To use the fill handle, move your mouse pointer to the right corner of the cell and it will change to a tiny cross or a plus sign, and drag the cross sign. If the Excel recognizes the pattern, it will autofill the cells. Let's consider this example. If I want to increase this number to up to 10, I can select these two cells together, and when I go here, this cross sign we talked about will appear, and I will drag it to 10. As you can see, it automatically fill it with numbers. Then we have these options also here. Let's say I just want to copy these numbers. It's only copy 1 to 1 to, and so on. If I want it to be a series, it will copy up to 10. And then if we want only the formatting, it will only copy the formatting or do it without the formatting. These are the few options that we can do it. Let's consider another example. If we have 2 and we have 4, now we select these two and drag it. As you can see, now the numbers are increased by 2. The Excel is very smart and it understands that what we want to do. And it see the pattern that the difference between these two numbers is 2. So it increased each in sequence number by 2. Now consider another example. Let's say I want to write Saturday. And now I drag this, nothing happens. But if I write here Sunday, and I select both of these and drag it, it will give us the other days. For example, Saturday, Monday, Saturday, Tuesday. So what I want is to get the number of days. So I write here Monday, which is the start of the day, the week, and I drag it here. In this way, I get all of the name of the weeks. So if the Excel understands the pattern, it will do whatever it takes to do. So as you can see, here are other options. So it's a fill weekdays, fill series, and so on. Now consider this date. We are in 12 December 1st and 2022. Now we have this date. This is the month. The first part is the month, the second part is the day, and the third part is the year. And we want to get this date series. By dragging it, the Excel will automatically understand that we want the series of the date. So 1st December, 2nd, 3rd, and up to 14th December. So we can have as much as dates as we want by dragging it to the bottom. Now that we understand the fill handle, sometimes in some application you might not see this fill handle if it is disabled. By default it's enabled, but if it's disabled you can enable it from file menu, from options, and after opening the options we go to the advanced, and from the editing options part we will find the handle here, enable fill handle, and tick mark it. Now I disabled it. Now if you tick mark, it will enable the fill handle and drag and drop.